And yes, we'll have the whole house spick and span.
I the goody, 2 shoes. Gosh, hang up already.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Mom. We won't miss you. Guys, behave. Guys, behave. Guys, behave. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Fine. I give up.
Great, so may on my leash. May today be the day. As we do, as we please. No rules, unlimited snacks, dream summer holidays. I am the king of this land, and all my subjects will bow to my dictat.
Yes, Your Highness, where do we begin? Netflix? PlayStation? Chips? Chocolate? Pillow fights? Flying kites? Ford! Fine! I'm in! Netflix and soda?
Netflix and soda. I'll get it.
No, I'll get it. Na 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 na. Look. There's an elephant in the kitchen. It's true. I kid you not. She found the chocolate biscuits. She's eaten up the lot. And we gave the juice and the water and the soup.
What? The cookies, not the cookies. The juice, not the juice. The water, not the water. We want to eat the cookies.
You are seeing things. Excuse me, Mrs. Elephant. Do not disturb me. These cookies are delicious. And can you pass me some more juice? I'm here for a moment, just passing through to taste your delights and share the view. No harm intended. Just calories and cheer. And chocolate is sure to remember. And I quite like the raspberry one. Did your mom make it, or is it from the shop? She should be my mom, or I get a series of Excuse me, Mrs. Shh. And do you have a recipe for? Do you have a recipe? I was trying to bake with that sauce in the fridge, but elephant problems. The baking mittens wouldn't fit me. And do you have a vegan recipe for pie, by the way?
Just shush. Spread. Hide. Find out. This is a great library of tales, sure enough. Rhinos on a quest, a reading spree, roll doll magic, or wimpy kid glee. Recommend me a story so utterly absurd, where chocolate rivers flow and mischief is stirred. Or join the wimpy kid in his comic delights, a tale that'll tickle me and keep me up all night. Get away! Get away! Get away! I won't take my books, you mean are ridiculous! Listen, kids. I am a lot of things. Rough, tough, rotund, remarkable, really smart, thank you, really. But I am not ridiculous!
Ollie, please let me get my phone. I need to call my mother. This is an unusual situation for us. Ollie is loving this bathroom. Your shower curtain is such a vibe. And that thing you put in your hair, you should share with my tribe. The tea tree oil, the lotion, the conditioners. Baby, I love this whole self-care. In your tub. The boat. Is this part of your routine? I have only used this toothpaste once, but my breath just feels so clean. I want like a sparkle backbone thing. I'm considering flowers in the pool. Honestly, if I had a space like this at home, I would not be going to school. That's it. I'm really Harvard Gracie. Look, I'm pretty, but I'm not dumb. So, Tesla. Also, can you get me some coffee from your kitchen? I hear it's natural experience. Talking. No! Maxie, my kung fu here. Wow! Can't defeat anyone. I am powerful. I am strong. I am. Excuse me? Excuse you? Excuse me. No one touches my lollies. Keep your fence closed and your ice cream closer. That's my lollies. That's my ice cream. That's my. Mine, yours, whatever. Finders, keepers, loser, weepers. Now get over it and get out of my way. You don't mess me up. Wah! Sorry. I'm cool. It's not a biggie. As long as you don't touch my sugar, I'm cool. I would propose that maybe you are eating my sugar and I have evidence to prove that. Sure, get your lawyer to call my lawyer and we'll see how far you get. Mine, like that's even a thing. Get out of my way, stop annoying me. This is officially my space. Mister, this is mine. I love my dessert. And with all the stress, I could feel my blood sugar decline. Also, didn't hear my dad about that age-old wisdom. And we are all one about sharing is caring, and we are all one big happy family. How is that moral science fearing? Trust me, I'm always right. Hi! What? Who are you? Are you mocking me? No, I'm not. Why would you think that? This is neither a time nor a place, really. So look, Pete said to his mother yesterday that I was being cold. Being cold? Anyway, Allie, don't call 911. It's not the movies, and I don't even think it connects to anyone. Really? Are you serious? Really? Really? Maybe I'm being so serious here because we're having a crisis. Me and Pete. He wants us to move in with his mom. Do you really think that's a good idea, Allie? I mean, it's one thing for us to laugh and joke around at Christmas time, but 24/7, 365 days, no thank you. The sun will tell you that the housing crisis has been going on for years now. All my friends have downsized homes and it is not getting better. Well, I asked Pete, why not move in with my parents then? He said that my dad snores and my mom's obsessed with cleaning. So are you. My feeling is, you never do anything around the house. Maybe I should leave. No, Allie, you tell me. Do you really think I'm being cold? I don't know you well enough, lady. I will not see your cold. I suggest maybe talking with some more warmth and love. I cannot even believe you. I cannot even. There's hardly any fish to eat, hardly any ice, and you want me to be nice? Please, I just saw the strangest thing.
Are we seeing things? We are certainly not.
We need to do something, guys. Mom is unreachable.
And the house is a mess. She'll be so mad when she gets back.
If we are alive, I mean. I last checked, there were penguins in our pool, tigers in our toilet, so if her children survive today, I think she'd be cool. Look, it's clear to me we need to get them out.
How exactly?
Let's talk to them. I'm a great debater, more than you and style. Everything can be negotiated. This is never going to work. Thank you for joining us. I mean, we are... Can you please get out of our house?
Yeah, please.
The reason we're here is because we have nowhere else to go. I'm worried about my long-term plan here. I'm kind of tiny now, but what do we do when I grow up? Excuse me, Miss Elephant, but who let you in? One more word from this one and I'll put her in her bed.
Hey. Let's not get violent now. But guys, to make a point, we must have our say. The reason there is a rhino in your bedroom is because our trees are chopped away. Our homes have been crashed into the ground. There's plastic in our beds. So while we thought how we might solve the issue, we just thought that we might come around your house instead.
Your toilets are impressive. Your flush is kind of nice. But if I could have my home back, I would move back in a trice. Truth be told, I'm a predator and I should be found in jungle. Not homes, neighborhoods, farms, and not your concrete grounds. Beyond all else, what baffles me about you human beings is how you ignore what you're doing. It's as if you aren't even seeing the trash, the floods, the choking seas, the whales that eat your Coke bottles, the millions of fallen trees. Kids, you need to see this. It's stop being someone else's problem now. The problem is at your doorstep and you will solve it. You will show us how you can fix the situation you have made, how you can rebuild our homes and create a way for all of us to exist. The ball is in your court, kids! Are you overestimating our abilities a bit? Maybe, but we certainly have no faith in adults. Is the truth. Bring out the presentation, guys. How bad is it? Not bad. Our house Our families are refugees. We've been thrown out of our lands. My family's moving into my mom's. Not a good sign in your 40s.
We used to sit up on our favorite rock, Mom and I, and look out onto our lands, as far as the eye could see once. There is barely a forest now, and more trees are gone, making way for roads and buildings and walls.
I have lost almost everyone. Almost everyone. My family was poached. Their horns in the showcases of the rich now.
Start cleaning up your own mess. When I was on the spot, man, that stuff is killing the planet.
And your kitchen, what's it on the plastic? One plastic bag for each vegetable you buy? Do you even realize that that stuff is not going away forever? One of our bird friends were so desperate for space to live that they moved to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's a land of garbage, twice the size than Dubai. So if you're wondering where all your garbage ends up, it's still here on your planet. Can you really live without plastic though? I mean, literally. Everything we own is... Look, let's just say it as it is. The planet existed for billions of years before you, and it will exist for billions of years after you. So what you need to figure out is if you want the human race to survive. Your floods, the forest fires, the rising sea levels. That's the planet giving you giant warning signs. And while you kill your own future, you are killing ours too.
Okay, let's create an action plan. I'm on.
A for afforestation. This birthday, I'm planting one tree. Who visits as a birthday return gift.
B for bags. No more plastic bags when we go shop for groceries. C for cleanups. Next time we go to the beach, we'll clean up the trash we see.
D for drive less. Means more carb loading, metros, and maybe electric cars.
E for electricity. Turn off your lights and keep the AC at 24.
F for forest. Do you think you guys could donate to the organization to help conserve the forest?
G for governments. The people at the very top have to make rules that don't just make us richer, but also take care of all the generations to come. So pick your leaders wisely and don't get distracted on how rich they can make you.
How about you go paperless? How about you reuse and recycle and stop buying things if you don't need them, and segregate your trash?
And can we clean up in time?
Yeah. Agreed. But slightly more urgent concern.
Yeah! Where do you hide when Mom is here? And can we clean up in time?